Time to talk about a little bathroom renovation and some things that you can do to save money. Got my renovation buddy here. Okay, go ahead, bub, go ahead. So I was a little reluctant to renovate this bathroom, but our tile, after 50 years, decided it would start falling off the ceiling of this shower. This bathroom is from the 1970s. Most of it is original. And so as we're planning our renovation, I want to share a few things that can really help you save on some money. And the first thing is going to be the footprint and the actual layout of the bathroom. If you can keep the exact same layout, that is going to save you a lot. So don't move your plumbing, don't move your toilet, don't move things around. So as we're planning this renovation, we're going to stick with the exact same layout. We do have this on a baffle or whatever the heck you call that. We're going to remove that to give a little bit more space and hopefully brighten things up just a little bit. But we will keep our exact same layout. We will take this cabinetry out and put our cabinetry right back there. We're actually going to refinish the tub. This is a cast iron tub. These things weigh 400 to 500 pounds. I've got 3 of them in this house. They are extremely heavy. I did have one removed from our master bath when we renovated that years ago. I actually had to get a guy from the local university football team to help me move that thing because it was ridiculously heavy. I'm not even sure. I've got an exterior door there. This used to be the pool bath. Interior door here. I am not 100% sure that that would even fit directly out the door without having to cut it or something. So we're actually going to get that refinished. The quotes I'm getting on refinishing a tub is anywhere from $400 to $600. That's a good bit cheaper than paying somebody to move it. Assuming your cast iron tub is in good shape, refinishing makes a lot of sense. They can paint it a nice white color. Then we'll remove our tile. We're going to get this shower retiled. New shower fixtures there as well. If you keep the same layout, we will keep the toilet because that is not that old. You actually can reuse your floor. This is luxury vinyl plank flooring. If the layout stays the same, you can gently remove your floor. Make sure you don't damage any of those locking pieces while you are removing. Number it with a Sharpie on the back side. Put the number of each piece as you are pulling it out. And then if your layout stays the same, for us this wall will be here, cabinetry staying there, you can just put your floor right back down. I've done that before in a closet that we did. I also did it in the master bathroom when we renovated years ago. Now you have to check your specific flooring if it will allow you to do that, but that will save significantly by using the exact same flooring, and it's going to save a ton of time because when you put it back in, you're not going to be doing anywhere near as many cuts. Now another tremendous way we could save money would be to reuse the cabinetry. This cabinetry is 50 years old. While it is still pretty solid, the wood they used back then was really quite solid. I am going to go ahead and get a new cabinetry in here. That should really improve the functionality. The new cabinet is actually going to have some drawers instead of just big open cabinetry like that. We'll stick with the layout of 2 sinks, and then we can get some increased lighting in here. It can get a little dark in here, especially in the shower. So when we get our vent fan, we are going to get one with a light. Now, of course, being in the 70s, being in the South, this fan is vented directly to the attic. That's just kind of how they did things back in the day. So we are going to have our new fan vented properly outside of the house. But let me know what you think. What would you do to save money in your bathroom renovation? Keep that same layout. Maybe there are some things that you can reuse, and hopefully you could do a renovation like this, possibly under $10,000. Obviously, the more you do yourself, you do demo yourself, if you're able to do some of the installation yourself. I'm going to paint this bathroom myself. I do have a contractor who's going to help us with a number of the other items, however. But you can do that. You can save a ton of money. Let me know what you think in the comments.